Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin H. In this video, let's talk about this black and white 379 Pete by Lazy F Farm Toys. Pretty slick looking ride. Let's get into it. All right, here we have a black and white 379. Let's dig into this and see what it is about. All right, here we are. Another good looking 379. This is one of 3 trucks run by Lazy F Farm Toys. This is the first run he has done, and so this is his inaugural 3 truck set he has produced, and this is in classic black with white, and there's a fine gray pinstripe outside the white bands. Pretty slick looking little cab there. We have painted wheels back here to kind of go with the theme of the truck. There's a cat engine inside there with all your normal detail. You have a matching drop visor there, along with 5 cab lights, air horns, and mule ear pipes to dress it up. Solid chrome tanks, gotta love that. And what I really like is this horizontal bumper, herd bumper, or whatever you want to call it, cow catcher. Pretty cool. There is a piece of foam in between the herd bumper and your hood, just to make sure that during shipping nothing gets broken. Kind of a nice touch there. This piece of die cast here is pinned to where your hood hinges are, and then your bumper here is pinned to this piece of die cast. So there's 2 pieces holding us to the truck, and horizontal if I hadn't mentioned it already. Then we have a nice deck plate, again dressed up to look like the rest of the truck, go with the theme. This is a 3-piece deck plate here. And there's a piece of plastic here and a piece of plastic here that are glued to that frame. If you take those off, don't be shocked if you find some glue residue. Wouldn't be out of the ordinary at all. I think in another video when I was talking about one of these trucks, I think I said that the airlines here are attached to this deck plate. So if you take the deck plate off, here come the airlines, when in actuality, they are right in front of the deck plate pinned to the frame. So you can take this off and your airlines will remain the same if you want to change out that deck plate. Do be aware this plastic 5th wheel will have to be removed in order to take the deck plate off. Your normal detail on the back, and then normal detail on the passenger side. Nothing too new there. Just a good looking truck. Oh, by the way, this is the 60-inch mid-roof without the skirts on the back, or however, you know, those panels on the back of the sleeper, which is kind of nice. Gives it a clean look, in my opinion. You have a matching 50-foot Wilson grain trailer to go with this. Super singles on the back, and then a narrow tag, a narrow tired tag axle right there. Your rollover tarp frame does pin to the side of this trailer. If you want to roll it up, I find that a giant PIA, but you do you. I always leave mine closed. I just never open them. And then something I had noticed before is light detail down the side of the trailer. Kind of a nice touch. It follows the front here, follows it through the front, and then down the passenger side. Of course, you have your tarp hooks. Pretty cool. And then those lights carry themselves around to the back of the trailer. There is, on DCP trucks, when you buy them from the factory, you have a tarp crank there. You have an extra set of mirrors. Oh, and look at that. A 5th wheel plate cover if you want to stage that truck without a trailer. So you can do that. And your tarp crank is going to go right there in that hole, so you can move it to an open or closed position depending on how you want to stage your trailer. Again, I have found rolling these tarps to be a monumental pain in the butt. I never do it. I just don't care for that look, because they look kind of dumb when they're rolled up, because I can't seem to get them tight enough to make them look cool. But anyways, if that's your style, you go on ahead and get it done. Traps on the grain trailer do function open and close like that. So again, if you want to stage them however you want, that option is available. And then of course you have working landing gear. Just screw those little pads in and out, and you can make it look just the way you want. Overall, pretty cool looking rig. There are 252 of these cabs in circulation. That's how many Garrett did in this, with this particular color of this run. And like I said, there are 3 different trucks in the series, all with similar stripes. They're all identical except for the colors and then the color of the grain trailer. but every other aspect of them is the same. So like I've said in other videos, if you love these, do not hesitate. Go out and buy them, because these little trucks, as I'm speaking, they're pretty hot, and as soon as they sell out, they go up in value fairly quickly. So do be aware of that. So if you like them, don't hesitate too long. Make sure you get one within the next few months. I have some of these in my store, so if you like it, you can get them from me or wherever you like to buy diecast. Pretty awesome truck, and congrats to Garrett for a job well done. Thanks for watching.